Good morning, all of you. My name is Krishna Tavari from 3rd class. Today I am teaching time. Time is clock show time. This is a 3 o'clock.
Explain the all hands, okay?
This is a hour hand. This is minute hand. This is second hand. This is 6 o'clock. This is a 3:30.
Explain if the minute hand is in at 7 like that. If the 7, then what will the minutes hand?
When the minute hand on 7, its time is this time is 3:35. This time is 3:50.
And at the last, how will you show the 2:30? 2.
At last, how we show 2:30?
Explain now. Where is the half past?
This is the 2:30. When our hand is on 2 and minute hand is on 30, it is 2:30.
Okay, so done.
Hello friends, my name is Khushi Mohitkar. I am from 6th. Today I am teaching lesson air around us. If any know what is weathercock? No? Weathercock tells the direction where the wind is blowing. When the wind is blowing to north to south, so the weathercock turn north to south. And next, that is oxygen. Who know about oxygen? No one? Okay. When we breathe in oxygen and release carbon dioxide. This oxygen is also known as O2, means oxygen. Carbon dioxide is also known as CO2. Nitrogen is also known as N2. And the other gases like dust particles that also move around us, and water vapor that also present in air. The plants. Anyone knows about photosynthesis? No one? The leaves make their own food by using carbon dioxide, that take carbon dioxide in their CO2, and sunlight. Sunlight takes and also take water from roots. Water takes water from roots and make their own food and release oxygen. And they also do that. Carbon dioxide get in and release oxygen, and we take oxygen and release carbon dioxide. In night, the sunlight is most important, and when the sunlight is not at night, so they do not make the photosynthesis. That time they take oxygen and release carbon dioxide. And that's why all the grandparents, all teachers say that don't sleep at night under the tree of big trees like neem, banyan tree, many other trees, because they release carbon dioxide, and when we inhale most carbon dioxide, that we feel suffocation. That time we feel like a headache, much more. Okay, dust particles, smoke. The burning of fuel also produces smoke. When anything burns like board, tables, cloths, much more things, that times it release smokes. Dust particles all around. When a closed room is there and we open the window, and that time the sunlight is come in the room, we can see dirt particle in that.
a few questions are there. Explain me the give me the percentage that in what is the percentage of nitrogen, what is the percent of carbon dioxide, what is the percent of oxygen. You know that.
Yes.
Tell me the question.
This is our earth. Nitrogen is this all is our earth. Nitrogen is known as N2. It is the percentage of nitrogen in our earth is more. That is more like that is more 72% of nitrogen is present on our earth, and oxygen means O2 is present, not more but 28%, and other gases that is 1%. Much that the other gases like carbon dioxide, dust, dirt particles, smoke, and other. Nitrogen is not nitrogen is much more in earth. Oxygen that 28%, and other gases like 1%. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Hello my dear friends, my name is Shaunak Avari. I am from class 5th. So today I am going to teach you about integers. So integers means there are two types of integers, positive and negative integers, that we will discuss later. First we will discuss about the whole numbers and the natural numbers. So the whole number starts from 0 up to infinity. It is starting, and natural numbers are starting from 1 to infinity. And now we are going to discuss about the positive and the negative numbers. So first we have to draw number line to discuss about the positive and the negative numbers in the integers. So as you can see, this is a number line, and here 0 is the center, and I want to tell you one thing, that 0 is neither a positive and nor a negative integers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. So here we write the numbers. So after the 0, which are on the right side, they are called as positive integers. Means they are denoted with the plus sign, or we can also denote them by normal. Means if we want to denote plus 1, so we can denote it as a plus 1 or as 1. But the numbers which are left side of the number line are called negative integers. They are denoted with minus sign. But there is a compulsion in negative integers that you cannot remove minus sign from the numbers, because the number will form the positive integers. But as it is negative, so we have to denote this number by minus sign only. So now we are going to learn about absolute value of the integers. So if you have taken the integers 105 plus 105, so its absolute value would be as it is. So its absolute value is 105. And if you have taken minus 24 number, so its absolute value would be 24. So absolute value means the number itself. If it is of minus sign, you can remove the minus sign and this is the absolute value. And if there is plus sign or there is no plus sign, so you can directly take the number. For example, I have taken number 105. Now we are going to learn about ascending orders of the integers. So I am going to take one example. So if I am taking the example of 5 minus 1, 0, 4 and 1. So if we have to arrange these numbers in the ascending orders, so we have to first check if these numbers are there or not. The number 5 is there, so I take it. Minus 1 number is there, I take it. 0 is there, I take it. 4 is also there and the number 1 is also there. So I want to tell you one thing, that negative numbers are less and positive numbers are bigger. So minus 1 is smaller than 0 and 0 is smaller than 1. So if we have to arrange these in ascending order, it is too easy to arrange this in ascending order as it is on the number line only. So now as I have told you that negative integers are smaller than the positive, so it is easy to arrange negative integers and then positive. So our first ascending order is minus 1, 0, 1, 4 and 5. Let me take another example for descending order.
And now questioning round will be start. I am giving you some number, you have to go arrange it. Write it number what I am giving you. Write it. Minus 30, 30. Minus 30. Minus 55. 45. 45. 0. Minus 3. 1. And last 97. Arranging ascending order also and descending order also.
So now we are going to arrange these numbers in ascending with descending orders. So now I want to tell you how to arrange this. So minus 30 is bigger than minus 55. So the first the first ascending order of negative with positive would be minus 55, then minus 30, then minus 3, then 0, 1, 45 and 97. And if we do the reverse of this to this, it would form the descending order. I tell you, first 97, then 45, 1, 0, minus 3, minus 30 and minus 55. So that's how we arrange the numbers in ascending with descending order, and it's very easy to arrange numbers in ascending and descending orders in the integers.
Okay, that's all.
Thank you.
Next last